Video chapters. Now it can see a complete list of all chapters included in the video. It saved time by quickly jumping to the part you're interested to watch. Streamlined player. YouTube moved the button to a more prominent location and rearranged buttons that simplify its look and snappier controls to make your any action even faster. Gestures. Now it is easier to enter and exit full screen mode. Simply swipe up to enter full screen and down to exit, and if you'd rather see how much time is counting down versus the time that's elapsed in a video, now you can simply tap the timestamp to switch back and forth. Suggested actions. Now it is easily to rotate the phone or play a video in VR for better experience. Bedtime reminders. YouTube let you set reminders to stop watching videos and go to bed.